This is a national emergency. Please stand by for instructions. Possession of the object results in sudden unexplained fatalities. Do not write any names inside. Do not speak names in its presence. If you or someone near you has written a name, isolate the notebook. Evacuate the room. Await collection teams. If you hear your own name on this transmission, remain silent. Do not answer. Do not acknowledge. This concludes the Federal Broadcast Emergency Transmission. Further instructions are no longer available.